Part of living life on the road is the parties that you have around the campfire and the karaoke nights and just having a lot of fun on a Monday night or a Tuesday night or a Wednesday night. It doesn't have to be the weekend. And so I wanted to up our party game quite a bit, or just kind of having some fun, and also at nighttime bringing in what I'll call a light stick to the party. Now this isn't just a light stick because you can fold it up and it stores really nice. And again, as a full-time RVer, we love things that are sleek and slender and that fold up really nice and produce a ton of light. And you can move it any which way that you want here so you can provide the most light. But it's actually great for those karaoke nights around the campfire. I'm gonna show you why. All right, so let me show you what you actually get with this DeckTok light. Now that's a pretty cool name, is a DeckTok light. You get this kind of the brains of the unit with a USB-C. It actually is a power bank as well. So if you need to charge something up, you have a USB-A cord right there, or you can plug this in to your phone right there. If you're like, hey, I need some phone juice right here, it acts as a good power bank as well. You can see it's charging my phone, but that's not what we got it for. It's not a phone charger. It actually works with the DeckTok light. Now, what's cool about this is it has that thread, so you can stick this on a tripod, and it has the tripod thread right here, so you can put this guy on a tripod, but I'm going to put the battery connected to it on here, and then you can put that guy on a tripod, or you can put this guy on its own stand. It comes with its own stand, or this comes out and it's really super easy to take out, and you can put it right here and you can actually stake it into the ground if that's how you want to use it. Now, I'm going to be moving this around quite a bit, so I'm not going to use the stake here, but that's just kind of a nice thing that it has. I'm going to actually be using the stand here. And they thought of everything, so if you are going to be in the outdoors and it's going to be windy, you don't want it to knock over, you can just put these little stakes right here, here, and here, and you're good to go. This isn't going to knock over, so you can enjoy hours of fun without worrying about if your light's going to drop over. Now let's put this on here really quick, and look, just like that, we are good to go. We're attached. All right, look at all the different configurations that you can do. Now we're gonna do that one. That looks like an M right there, so that's a great one for me. Now, if we're playing a game of cards outside and we're not doing karaoke night and we just need the light, this actually is really good. Right here, here, and here, it's gonna light up your entire table, right? That's gonna give you a ton of light. Now, the thing that's unique, the thing that's cool about this is that it actually comes with a app. We're gonna get this Deck app going right here, turn it on, I'm gonna plug this in. There we go, we found it. It was really simple, you just had to connect it to the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna turn and it's giving you that green light. Hey, look, we're connected, we're successful. All right, we got the app, we got it added successfully right there, and we're just gonna kick in and say done. Now we're in the mode. You can see it is green, it is good to go. You can power it off right here, you can turn it on right here, and then you have millions of colors that you can change this to. All the different types of combinations. It has a couple different combinations, but this is pretty cool right here. The different modes that you can actually play with and change individual. Look at that, that's pretty cool. It has presets. I mean, this is gonna be awesome. We're gonna be getting our karaoke night on, having this light in the background. Guys, I'm super excited about this. We're gonna show that to you. Actually, we'll go with the music too as well. Let me see if I can have some on here. All right, right there, we got a little bit of music playing. This song is not copyrighted. This is a song that I created for my grandson. So you can see it's matching it perfectly with it. And so that's pretty cool. That's really cool. I really am kind of geeking out on this. I like it a lot. So you can add the sensitivity, so you can turn that all the way off if you want, but it's thinking, okay, that's pretty cool. So you can see how you're gonna bring the party when you bring this to karaoke night. This is gonna just liven it up. We'll show you later tonight. Let me just walk you through this app really quick. Like I said, you can change the colors here. You can do presets. You can go to music. They have the local mode or app mode. You can actually hook this up to a game app if you want, or a musical app. So I'm just going to stick it on local mode, and then you can actually create hey, I want a countdown timer. I want to turn this off, make sure that I don't have it running too much and I don't want to run the battery out or anything like that. But this is pretty cool. I like it a lot. It just is going to up the party. Now, let's say that we're not having a party. We just want some outdoor lighting, and we're going to turn this, just give me a straight white light. So we're gonna turn this off, pause that right there in the music mode. And we're just gonna go, hey, give me a straight white light. Right there, that's gonna give me that white light just if I want a white light for just if it's getting dark outside or whatever, we wanna keep the party going at the table, playing games or whatever the case may be. Now I like this one a lot because you can see right here, I can have this over if we're just on this side of the table, or I can have this right over the light, and that is gonna give me full light right there. So a lot of different use cases for camping. I would definitely say this is a great camping light, and it's gonna last a long time. I mean, it's LED, it's gonna last a long time before you have to charge it up. And so it's gonna bring the party, let you game longer, and keeping your vacation, guys. Isn't that amazing? So I'm gonna show you guys how it works at night, right now. And check that out. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, if you want to be the life of the next karaoke campground, then you're going to want one of these lights for sure. I mean, check it out. We're going to have so much fun tonight. You can have it go with the music. You can angle it any different way that you want. Kids are going to love it. Absolutely, they're going to love it. Change the color. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. And they got like a ton of different modes. I kind of like this one though. This is my favorite one right now. Oh, look, wait, Christmas? All right, yeah, that's gonna go over our Christmas tree. Ooh, Northern Lights. That's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, this is probably my favorite one though. But I mean, I could probably do this for a long time and just play with these. I don't know. It's kind of fun to play with this, but as you can see, you can be the star of the show. Maybe we'll tilt this up just like that. And you know, if you wanted just to be boring, you can be boring too and just go plain Jane. If you wanted to just be white. So if you wanted, ooh, yeah, maybe we could do some campfire scary stories. I like it. I'm gonna turn this on. It was on a night quite like this. It was a night something similar to this that it all happened. Well, we're about to get this party started, but I wanted to show you how we're going to set this up tonight. I'm going to change that. That's not as inviting. I'm going to go back to, I like this a lot. So this is a little more inviting. We're going to do the music one. But so if you want to have an awesome campground night, family night, this light definitely just enhances everything. So I would highly recommend it if that's what you're going to use it for sure.